few pieces here only. So this is the one that Mama need. Before then, really need to arrange and really think how to assemble to make the design. You see, and now remember this view only. So to fit the hole there, you can see there the hole again. You have to think of how to fit it beautifully, so that it doesn't, you can hold here, and then here, and then here you can see that there's a hole also, and make sure that it fit here as well, and it fit here. And then Mama doesn't know how to use the glue. You see, I did not even buy the uhu gum. You see, these are all without the nails. Mama made this one, all this one. But the man who did that, he arranged it also. He got, he also put nail. You see, all of this he used the electrical nail and put it. But even then, when he cut it also, some also not very smooth. Not very smooth. I can see that there is a hole there. And then you see when Mama cut that time, Mama was really trying to fit this one. The eyes are turn and turn. You see there's one hole there. See, and it will be a lot beautiful if Mommy don't cut it off the edges and just nail it on there. See, and then later on, as Mama goes smarter already, Mama do it. But because it's not enough wood, you see, not enough wood, and then the wood not long enough. Then Mama there you can see that there's a hole there. There's a hole there, but Mama make sure to use it to the maximum. So Mama really need to calculate the thing. Really have to see which piece will fit to which area, so that they are remaining for making other pieces too. And this one, the Mama calculate. This one is Mama already become wiser already. See, Mama do better already. This time it just fit very nicely. See, perfect match. And then you see perfect. You see, there after that Mama cut, really measure, and then you see this small piece again. Mama fit in just very nice cutting. This is beautiful already. See, and then this one also Mama nail it in. I nail it in. Just use the hammer and nail it. But Mama not yet put it lah. Not yet did not, what do you call it? I did not put the nail. But anyway, it cannot come off. It won't come off. Really bang it in. But if Mama bang it too hard, it sure break one.